Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your experience on Eventeus. So first of all, you connect on your Eventeus account. Afterwards, you click on Create Talent or Experience, and then you click on Offer a new experience. And here you have to follow the 5 steps. So first, you choose a title for your experience, and then you choose the category of your experience and the subcategories. In this case, it's tours and excursions, and then you can choose local tours, walking tours, etc. And here you can choose the visibility of your experience, either private or public, and if you want it an online experience or not. Then you move to the next step. You choose the duration of your experience and you describe your experience. Afterwards, you choose the languages of your experience, the main one, and other languages, and the currency. Then you move to the next step. Here you define the exact address of your experience. In this case, it would be Paris. Then we go to the next step. You add a photo of your experience, or you can even upload videos. Then you go to the next step and the final one. So here you add the tags like Paris tour guide, tourism, and then you add what is included and what is not included in your experience, like what is included, the history, information, and guidance, and what is not included, it could be like transport, tickets for museums, and then you add the essentials. Finally, you click on Finalize and Submit for validation.